So hi guys, so tomorrow is Monday, so let's see what can the market can do tomorrow. So I will just tell you technically what can happen, and then I will tell you shankically what the market can do. So what I can see is, as you can just see the distance between, okay, so the distance between the CPR, like Friday ka CPR and coming CPR, it's far away and it's descending. So it is just implying you like that market can go in a like niche gir sakta hai, ya maybe the market will be downside. That's what it want to tell you. That's what I feel. So it's a descending CPR and one liner or a narrow CPR. You can say that it's not a one liner exactly. You can say it's a narrow CPR. Okay, it's not a one liner. One liner matlab wo pura ekdam chitak ke rahega. So you can't say it's a one liner CPR. So maybe tomorrow if the candle, okay, if the candle is opening somewhere over here above CPR, means understand that maybe it will just cry. So the candle is opening above CPR, the chances of crying will be more, and the trend reversal can happen if the candle is opening above CPR. And if the candle is opening below CPR, so our CPR basic logic, if the candle is opening in between CPR and S1, it might go back to the CPR. That's what I can feel. Or if the candle is opening somewhere over here, if it doesn't break the previous day high line or R1, it will go back to the CPR. But better the target will be 50%. याद रखना 50% is your target. अगर ऊपर से नीचे आया तो same logic S1 से ऊपर गया 50% of that CPR and S1 is your first target. So simple basic CPR logic. If the first candle opens below CPR और S1 पे touch करता है और उसको break नहीं करेगा, it will go back to the CPR. Okay, that's what I feel. So maybe tomorrow I think surprise level death warrant सब देख के जाएगा. That's what my feeling says. सुबह सुबह या maybe around first half तक. So simple basic setup, nothing special in this thing. है थोड़ा सा वन लाइनर नहीं बोल सकते, narrow CPR. So let's see, Nifty में कुछ इतना बड़ा function नहीं है. So yeah, the support, very good support. So 19,212 is a very good support, and at the bottom if it just falls down, you can expect 19,135 as a very good support. And if it loves to go up, then maybe yeah वही है 19,268 will act as a very good resistance या 19,356. But bottom जाने का बहुत ज़्यादा like ज़्यादा chances है. Because Friday को पूरा रो रहा था, गया नहीं. Same logic over here, the same setup, nothing special. So CPR logic, whatever I told you in Nifty baby, the same thing यहाँ पे भी है. That is a descending CPR, distance between this CPR and this CPR is a little bit far away, telling you that the trend might go in a like bottom side, like that is selling. But yeah, if the candle is opening somewhere over here, and if it doesn't break the CPR, तो समझना trend reversal होगा. And if the candle is opening below, तो समझना कि trend reversal नहीं हुआ है until it doesn't break the CPR. So it will be in negative mode only. That's what I feel. The same what I told you in Nifty. The same thing implies on Bank Nifty also. So कल का CPR वही है. One liner तो नहीं है, narrow बोल सकते हैं. One liner नहीं है. So bottom पे the logic is, so there's a very good support at the bottom, that is 44, the favorite figure. 44 को तोड़ा तो ये 43,814. That is a very good support because this is a major point. This is a major point where a lot of time reversal has happened. Maybe सीधा jump मारता है ऊपर market या वहां से नीचे भी गिरा है. So that is a major, like equilibrium state बोलते हैं ना, वहां पे अगर आके candle touch हुआ, so chances इधर होएगा थोड़ा थोड़ा. Let's see, and then we have to see the volume. जेल बार क्या बोलता है या जेलर क्या बोलता है, उस हिसाब से we can take a trade. If it just reaches that 43,823 and उससे भी नीचे गिरता है, then 43,522, 25 is a level to watch out. That's what I feel. So वो एक reversal point बन सकता है अगर नीचे गिरेगा. That is 43,800. This is your first reversal point to watch tomorrow अगर हुआ तो, and ज्यादा गिरता है, so maybe this is your second reversal point to watch out. But अपना मार्केट पागल है तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. Till 9-7 की ओपनिंग क्या होता है. Okay, so that was the technically what can market do. Shankically I will tell you what can happen in the market. So एक मिनट, just give me a second. So shankically what can happen I will just tell you. So shankically एक मिनट, Shankically what I feel is maybe like एक तो गैप डाउन होएगा मेरे ख्याल से, तो एक बड़ा गैप डाउन मारेगा, सो नीचे जाएगा, ये सडनली थोड़ा ऊपर मारेगा, देन ऐसा नीचे आएगा, देन मे बी चांसेस ऑफ रिवर्सल वापस से होएगा ऊपर. सो दिस व्हाट आई फील इन द मार्केट टुमारो. सो इसके लिए इसको पैटर्न का क्या नाम देंगे अपन, राइट? This pattern can happen tomorrow in the market, if it happens. So I'll give this क्या नाम दो इसको नाम देता हूं. So according to me, this pattern is called pipe cigar pattern. So this is what I'm feeling tomorrow, that the pipe cigar pattern can happen in the market tomorrow. But yeah, if this pattern happens or doesn't happen, I don't know. So just better watch out our jail bar properly and all the indications, like go with the logic. Don't blindly take any trade. Okay, don't blindly take any trade. Just see that whether the logics, whether the support lines and the resistance lines are supporting this, then only you can expect this pattern in the market. So don't blindly follow this. And if you are just getting some top ka subah ka bhi kuch mil gaya, you'll get deep IT with 30 points in BN and maybe 10 to 15 points in Nifty. To mil gaya to leke so jao. That's what I can tell. And yeah, comment and let me, how is the pattern different from everybody, like sab log bolte na, head and shoulder हो गया, ये shoulder हो गया. So is it different my pattern? जो comment में बता देना, अच्छा लगता है देख के. So and one more thing guys, next week maybe Black Panther will die. So next week is the last week for Black Panther to die. उसके बाद all the Bank Nifty levels में मंगल भी मर जाएगा. So next week because of the expiry is changing, I don't know exactly कि change होने वाला है कि नहीं. So expiry of Bank Nifty is going to happen on Wednesday. So that is the reason. So Bangalore seminar में भी I think Black Panther का मालूम नहीं, भी दूसरा देखता हूँ. Maybe Black Panther आएगा या तो Gold Panther can come. I think so. So that's all for days guys. See you tomorrow at 9-7 in our market and देखते कल pipe cigar pattern मिलता है कि नहीं. Bye guys. See you.